Power BI architecture is the end-to-end process of collecting data from multiple sources, transforming and modeling, creating business insights, publishing reports securely, and delivering interactive dashboards to business users. Now that we understand what Power BI and its ecosystem in the previous video, now let's understand how Power BI actually works behind the scenes. Power BI architecture is the complete journey of data from where it is created to where it helps business users make decisions. Think of it like a water purification system. Water starts at a source, gets cleaned, filtered, stored, and finally reaches our home. Similarly, business data follows a journey before becoming a dashboard. In step 1, business data sources. Every organization has data stored in different systems. Likewise, there will be a Jira, for instance, Excel, SQL Server database, SharePoint, APIs, cloud services. So, no single system contains all the business information at one place. And Power BI's first job is to connect all these sources which we have mentioned now. As per, if you take one example, like if we collect data from Jira and the capacity from the Excel, the allocation of the team, and these become the input for Power BI. In step 2, connect to data. This is where the development environment, it connect to different data sources, import or connect live, configure authentication, review the data. At this stage, we are only bringing the raw data into Power BI. And the next stage 3, we use Power Query. Raw data is never perfect. It has duplicates, blanks, and missing columns, empty rows. So Power Query performs ETL. Read data from the different sources, that is SQL, APIs, Excel, Jira, whatever, and transform the data. Transform in the sense it cleans the data, it removes the duplicates, handle blanks, rename columns, change data types, split or merge columns, and standardize the formats. And then we have load. It loads the clean data into the model. And then it may contain unnecessary columns, different date formats, empty values. So Power Query cleans all of this before the data reaches the reports. And then comes the next step, semantic model. This is like data model. This is the heart of Power BI. A semantic model organizes data into a business-friendly structure. Instead of isolated tables, we create relationships. Typical model, if we say fact tables, that we can say sprint tickets, capacity allocation, and the dimension tables, we can categorize them as employee, date, domain, ID, status, etc. This follows the star schema design. And the benefits of this is we have a faster performance, reusable reports, single source of truth, and consistent KPIs. And the next step 5 is DAX, where we write all the business logic here. Once the model is ready, we add business intelligence using DAX commands. Example, total sales, total velocity, we can say, utilization of the employees, the average utilization, and how many story points they have completed, and what are the trends. So DAX transforms raw data into meaningful business metrics. And the next step is reports and dashboards. Now the data is ready to visualize. And Power BI provides KPI cards, tables, matrix, bar charts, line charts, pie charts, filters, slices, drill through, drill down tooltips. And users can interact with the report instead of viewing them as a static charts. And the next stage is 7, where we publish to Power BI service. After development, we publish the report to Power BI service. Power BI service becomes an enterprise collaboration platform. It contains workspaces, semantic models, reports, dashboards, and apps. Now the report is available online. And also the next step, we have gateway and scheduled refresh. Business data changes every day. So instead of manually refreshing, we can make use of Power BI automatically refreshes the reports. This is done using on-premises data gateway, where we can make use of schedule refresh option. For example, every morning we want to run at 8 a.m. we can make use of this option. Power BI refreshes the latest data from several systems, and so the business users always see current or the latest information in the dashboards. And the next step we can say like security and governance. Not everyone should see all the data. We need to have a security, role level security access based on the developers, stakeholders, testers. We provide them the security, workspace permissions, dataset permissions, apps, audit logs, lineage view. Example, a project manager only sees the project dashboards, while leadership can view organization-wide reports. So the next step is business users. Finally, the dashboards reach the business users. These include delivery managers, project managers, scrum masters, product owners, engineering leaders, business analytics, executives, all the stakeholders. They can access reports through web browser, through mobile, that is Power BI mobile, through Teams, Microsoft Teams, shared apps. The goal is not just to display data, it is to support better, faster business decisions. So finally, Power BI architecture is an end-to-end enterprise analytics pipeline. It starts with business data, transforms it into trusted information, applies business logic, presents it through interactive dashboards, securely publishes it to the cloud, and delivers actionable insights to business users for informed decision making.